How to fix Facebook hack. In today's video guys, we will talk about how to fix this on your Facebook. Just watch this video till the end. So first, go and open the settings of your phone, then open apps option. Here on apps option, search for Facebook. Open then Facebook like this, scroll down and click on storage. Here on storage, go to the last button, clear data, click OK, and then you have to back, click on force stop, click also OK. And now what you should do, you have to go to this option here, remove permission if app is unused. Then you have to turn on your airplane mode and turn off it, and after all this you have to go and restart your phone. And that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.